You can launch a fully functional online business today without spending a single penny. We are going to build an expanding network using a trusted system that has been running since 1994. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a live lead-generating website, an inventory of hundreds of products you can resell for full profit, and a system routing 50,000 targeted visitors to your newly built page. To set this up, you only need 3 things: your full name, a valid email address, and 6 minutes of focused time to follow these exact steps. By completely removing the barrier of upfront capital, this system makes it possible for anyone to instantly start building and competing in the digital marketplace. Let's get to work. Step 1 is securing your free associate membership. Head over to the main registration page and look for the form at the center. Enter your full name and your best email address. Once your details are in, click the button right below it that says Get Started Now. It's 100% free. When you log in for the first time, you are going to see a dense dashboard built on decades of features. Do not let this interface slow you down. We are going to ignore the noise and focus strictly on the 3 specific navigation tabs we need today. By sticking only to these highlighted areas, you ensure a fast, straightforward setup process without getting lost in the secondary tools. Applying this narrow focus to the core tools is the absolute fastest method to take a blank, brand new account and turn it into a live, active business ecosystem. Now that we are in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Products tab. This is where your digital inventory lives. You will see a library of over 700 private label rights, or PLR, products. PLR means you hold the license to resell these items directly to consumers, keeping 100% of the commission. Every month, the system deposits $200 of fresh content into this folder for you to claim. Next to each item in the list, you will find direct download links for the product files and the official resale rights certificates that authorize you to distribute them. You can use these files in 2 distinct ways: sell them outright for direct profit, or offer them as valuable bonus incentives to affiliates who upgrade through your links. Instantly possessing a diverse, ready-to-ship digital inventory completely bypasses the highest hurdle in e-commerce, spending months creating your own products from scratch. With products secured, go back to the sidebar and click the Website Management tab. Select the free Landing Page Builder tool. You will see a list of layout templates. Choose one of the basic, clean options. These templates are optimized specifically for high conversion rates. In the main text field, write a straightforward headline offering one of those newly claimed PLR products as a free gift in exchange for the visitor's email address. Resist the urge to overcomplicate the design or add extra paragraphs of text. The sole objective of this single page is capturing visitor emails to build your list. Scroll to the bottom and click Publish to instantly push your newly created page live onto the internet. Immediately click the generated live URL link. You need to view the page yourself to verify that it is functioning perfectly on the web before we send people to it. A fast, straightforward capture page like this serves as the primary engine for list building, consistently outperforming heavily designed, complex websites when it comes to generating leads. Keep that live page open. Copy your newly verified URL from the address bar so we can prepare for the final stage, activating the traffic. Return to your dashboard and navigate to the traffic section. Here, you will activate your 18 lifetime memberships to the platform's premium traffic generating sites. Before pasting your link anywhere, perform a critical safety check. Open a fresh incognito or private browsing window, paste your copied URL, and press Enter to guarantee the link isn't broken. Now, open the 50,000 targeted visitors portal within the traffic menu. Paste your tested URL into the destination field and hit Submit. This submission action connects your specific site to the broader network, routing a continuous, year-long flow of targeted visitors directly from the central marketplace to your landing page. Combining this high-volume, targeted traffic feed with your verified capture page establishes a self-sustaining, automated lead generation loop. In just a few minutes, you have successfully moved from having 0 assets to controlling a live, traffic-fed business ecosystem fully equipped with digital products. Your assignment moving forward is a simple daily habit. Log in tomorrow to use your daily earned ad credits and post unlimited classified ads to thousands of partner sites to expand your reach even further. If you encounter any technical obstacles along the way, reach out to the 24/7 support desk. The team is Better Business Bureau accredited and ready to keep you moving forward. The heavy lifting is done and your digital infrastructure is built. From here, showing up with daily consistency is the only remaining requirement to generate long-term profit.